Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a snowblower in the shop. We are in snowblower season here. This machine here has been sitting for a few years, and the issue that it's having is it's extremely hard to shift the gears. And here it is. It's an MTD machine sold by Canadian Tire Yardworks. This is an older machine, however, it is actually better built than the newer MTD machines. The whole console does have a plastic cover, but underneath it is metal. Here's the gear shifter. It is hard to shift. Now, if you keep forcing it when it won't shift, what you can do is end up bending the linkages underneath. I don't want to do that. It's an easy fix, and I'll show you how to do that. Now, what I've done is tilted it up like this. It's a lot easier to work on it. You can put a bag here under the gas cap if the fuel is leaking, and make sure the oil cap is tight. It does not cause any damage to the machine having it upward like this. So on this machine, you have to remove 6 bolts that hold the belly pan. You will need a 3/8 socket. Now, mice have been nesting in this machine, as you can see. So here's the drive wheel right here, and this slides on the hex shaft right here, and because the machine's been sitting, it's totally dry. There was grease there, but it's kind of caked on. It's hard now, and that's why this thing cannot slide back and forth, and that's why you cannot shift the gears. So what I'm going to do here to make this move back and forth again is spray it with some carb cleaner. I'll start on one side here, spin the shaft over and clean every surface. Now I'm going to put a bit of oil right on the hex shaft. What I'm using is a mix of engine oil with transmission oil. And I'll turn the shaft here by turning the wheel, spread the oil all over. Now I'm going to try the gear shifter to make sure it will shift. And I will actually help it. See, now it's going. And now I've got the rest of the shaft, and I'll do the same. I want to clean up all that old grease. Sometimes there's rust on this shaft. And if there is rust on this shaft, what you want to do is get some really fine sandpaper, like emery paper that's 400 grit, and sand it. Spray a bit of WD-40 first, and it kind of helps the sandpaper to really clean it up nice. Now I'm just going to put more oil on this side. You don't want to put too much oil here because you do not want this to drip on the friction plate. If you get oil on there, what's going to happen is you will have no drive because this part here will be slipping on the metal disc. Okay, let's try this again. Et voila, that's all you have to do, guys. And while you're at it, you might as well grab some bearing grease and put some on the gears right here. Again, you don't need a whole crazy amount on here, just enough to get you through the season, and do this every fall before the winter comes. And it's also a good idea to do this here every fall as well before the winter time, is take it apart, re-grease it, and also oil the hex shaft as well. And let's try it again. Now it is extremely easy to shift, and it will stay like that for a while. So all I have left to do here now is to air blow all the stuff from the nest in there and put the belly pan back on. Very easy to do, guys. Again, if your blower won't shift gears, this is what you need to check first. Thanks again for watching, guys, and also don't forget to check out my other snowblower repair videos. I have hundreds of them on my channel. Have a great day.